Peace be upon you and may Allah's mercy and blessings be upon you. Hope you are well. The purpose of this channel is to understand statistics from every aspect. There is an excellent series of questions and answers, which will make it easier to understand the topic of statistics. So I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start today's video.
Question 16. What precautions should be taken in the planning of a statistical survey? Answer. Following precautions are to be taken in the planning of a survey. 1. Purpose. First, a clear-cut objective of the survey should be spelled out. 2. Scope of survey. Different aspects to be covered to achieve the fixed objectives should clearly be explained. 3. Definition of terms. All the terms involved in a survey should be defined without ambiguity so that no unit is likely to fall in more than one category. 4. Stating the hypothesis. Hypothesis to be tested from the data collected by way of survey should be laid down in accordance with the objectives of the survey. Question 17. Give briefly the characteristics of a good questionnaire or a schedule. Answer. Characteristics of a good questionnaire or a schedule are: Number 1. Number of questions should be such that it extracts all information required for the report. Number 2. Each question should have almost all alternative answers. Number 3. The question should be clear and without any ambiguity. Number 4. All questions should be mutually exclusive in nature. Number 5. Some very personal questions be avoided. Number 6. Questionnaire or schedule should not be very lengthy and time-consuming. Question 18. What is an absolute biased error? Answer. When the figures are rounded straightway to the nearest lowest unit of rounding or to the nearest highest unit of rounding, the difference between actual and estimated rounded values in the two cases are called biased errors. For example, if we round the value 357 to the nearest 100, the nearest lower value is 300 and nearest higher value is 400. In case 1, absolute biased error equals 357 to 300 equals 57. In case 2, absolute biased error equals 357 to 400 equals 43. If there are two or more values in a set, the sum of absolute errors is taken. Question 19. What is an absolute unbiased error? Answer. If the values are rounded as per the rules of rounding, that is, a given value is rounded to nearest lower value of the unit of rounding in case it is less than half of the unit of rounding and to next higher value of the unit of rounding if it is more than half of the unit of rounding, it is called unbiased error. The difference between the actual value and the estimated rounded value is called absolute unbiased error. If there are two or more values in a set, then the sum of the absolute unbiased error is taken. Question 20. How do you estimate an average unbiased absolute error, AE? Answer. The formula is average AE unbiased equals average error x square root n, where n equals number of items in the set. An average error equals the mean of the minimum and maximum values which are likely to be left over or increased in the process of rounding. For example, if we are rounding a value to the nearest 100, the chances are that the lowest value which may be left out is 0 and maximum value which may be added is 50. Hence, the average error is 0 plus 50, 2 equals 25.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.